NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, we will discuss about how to identify the given system is linear time invariant or time variant system. These concepts are very important for GATE, IES, SRO and all other government examination. Listen this video fully carefully. At the end of the video, you can solve any type of questions asked in GATE, IES, ISRO and other government examinations. So listen this video carefully. Linear time invariant system. The linear time invariant system is defined as the if it is input output characteristics does not change with time, then the system is linear time invariant system. This is a statement. But mathematically we can define if output for the input delayed by t seconds or n samples is equal to output delayed by t seconds or n sample, then the system is a linear time invariant system. When we solve this problem, you can understand this statement. Let me take an example. In this question, we have to identify which one of the option is a linear time invariant system. This question asked in GATE 2008 Instrumentation Engineering Department. Here input is x of n, output is y of n. We will check option one by one. First we will check option A. Here this is a discrete system. So we have to find the first output for the input delayed by n samples. Then we have to find the output delayed by n samples. If the both are same, the system will be a linear time invariant. So first output for the input delayed by n samples. Only input delayed. So here input is x of n. Here input delayed means we have to replace x of n by x of n minus n. It means as this is the input. This input is delayed by n samples. So replace here, we will get y1 of n. This output is y1 of n is equal to n into x of n minus 1. This is the output for the input delayed by n sample for the option A problem. Second, find the output delayed by n samples. Output delayed by n sample means this is output y of n. The output delayed by n sample means y of n minus n. So replace here n by n minus n. We will get output delayed by n sample. Okay. Substitute here. So we will get y of n minus n is equal to replace n by n minus n, x of n minus n. This output it's taken as y2. So y2 of n is equal to n minus n into x of n minus 1. Whether it's both are same, y1 of n and y2 of n are not same. So the system is time variant system. So option A is wrong. Next we will check option B. Option B is y of n is equal to x of 3n. Okay. Similar concepts. So first find output for the input delayed by n samples. Input is x of 3n here. Input delayed by n samples means x of 3n minus n. So y1 of n is equal to x of 3n minus n. This is input delayed by n samples. This is the input delayed by n samples. Next find the output delayed by n samples. Output delayed by n sample means y of n minus n. So we have to replace the n by n minus n. So replace here. So we will get this output is y2 of n. So y2 of n is equal to x into 3 into n minus n. So simplify this equation, we will get x into 3n minus 3n. Whether it's both are same, y1 and y2. y1 and y2 are not same. So this system also time variant system. So option B also wrong. Now we will check option C. This is option C system. Same concepts. So output for the input delayed by n sample. Here input is x of minus n. So output for the input delayed by n sample y1 of n is equal to x of minus n minus n. This is the input delayed by n samples. Now find the output delayed by n samples. That means y of n minus n. So here y of n is given. So replace the n by n minus n. We will get the y of n minus n. That means output divided by n samples. So replace here. So we will get output y2 of n. y2 of n is equal to x of minus into n minus n. So simply with this equation we will get x of minus n plus n. Compare this y1 of n and y2 of n. y1 of n and y2 of n both are not same. Because here y1 of n is equal to x of minus n minus n. Here y2 of n is equal to x of minus n plus n. So y1 of n is not equal to y2 of n. That means output for the input delayed by n samples not equal to output delayed by n samples. So this system also time variant system. Finally, we will check the option D. Option D system is y of n is equal to x of n minus 3. So apply the concepts. Output for the input delayed by n sample. Here input is x of n minus 3. It's delayed by n samples. So we will get y1 of n is equal to x of n minus 3 minus n delayed by n samples. Now find the output delayed by n samples y of n minus n from this equation. If you replace the n by n minus n, we will get output delayed by n samples. So replace. So we will get y2 of n x into n minus n minus 3. Simply this equation we will get x into n minus n minus 3. Both y1 of n and y2 of n both are same, both are equal. So this is linear time invariant system. Now I will list old TRB and gate questions. Try to solve this question. After solving these questions, command your answers. This will be helpful for others. If you have any doubts in these concepts, just post your doubts in our WhatsApp group. The first question is asked in TRB exam 2017. The second question is asked in ISRO 2017 examinations. Third question asked in GATE 2017 instrumentation engineering questions. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.